name's Elise. I'm going to be your product specialist over here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. Thank you so much for your online inquiry on the 2019 Honda CR-V. I do have one of the models behind me in that silver color that you inquired on. I know that you're looking to buy before Christmas, and that's a really good time of year. I want to get you in here, and I wanted to get you the best deal possible. I just need you to call me to set up your VIP appointment to show you all of the great things this vehicle has to offer in person, and then also get you that great price. The number you can reach me at is 205-719-7191. Again, my name is Elise, and when you do get